Yo guys, I'm HP. This is Dr. Pink and welcome to our YouTube channel. HPCrazy, the coolest guitar channel on the planet. Maybe not the largest, but the coolest. What it's about here? Of course, guitar playing. It's about blues. Rock. Jazz. Touch technique. Live performance with Mrs. Blue. Tips and tricks for a better guitar sound that is sound awesome. And last but not least, how to create really nice colors on your guitar, how to express pictures, different colors, emotions, vibes. Figure out my really unique improvisation and teach you concept here on the channel. And please subscribe to my channel. Please become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy and join the small little cool community we have.